Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are happy and cheerful. Welcome to you all in your maths class. Students, today we will understand about addition. Let's practice with me. Look, this is question number 1. Now you have to add 2 and number 3. So I had written 2 plus 3 is equal to. Now tell me, students, how you will do it. You know, you can open your fingers. You can do this by putting lines. First, I am going to tell you how to do by doing the lines. Look, this is number 2. You can use 2 lines and then add 3 more lines to it. Now, you can count these lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the answer of this question. Okay. Now, dear students, we will do this sum by doing. Now, you can do this sum by using your fingers. Now, what you will do? First, you will see this number and open your 2 fingers. Like you can see my fingers 1 and 2. Now, look at the next number and open 3 more fingers like 1, 2, 3. Now you have to count all these fingers together like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, students, which number you got? Number 5. So you can do this sum by using fingers, by using lines, and now I will tell you to do mentally also. How you will do the additions mentally? Look, question number 2. Like you have to add 5 plus 4. Now what you will do? Students, you can see here are 2 numbers 5 and 4. Now think about this greater number in your mind. Keep this number in your mind. Like 5 is in your mind and now see the another number. The number 4. What you will do? You will open the fingers, 4 fingers on your hand. Like you can see my 4 fingers. Now the number 5 is in your mind. Okay. Now what you will do? You will start counting after 5 and you will count these 4 fingers in this number. Now start counting. What comes after 5? Number 6. So you will close these fingers. Now count after 5. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what do you got? Number 9. So the answer is number 9. Now next you will do all these sums in your mind. Okay. Like question number 3 is 6 plus 7. Now dear students, think about the greater number. You can keep any number in your mind like 6 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Open 7 fingers on your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what you will do? The number 6 was in your mind. Okay. Now you have to start counting after number 6. It means you will add number 7 to number 6. 6 is in your mind. Think after it. Okay. What comes after 6? Now you had 7 fingers on your hand. These fingers are opened. Okay. Now start counting after 6. Let's add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which number you got? Number 13 is the answer. Now let's do the question number 4. Now you have to add 8 and 4. Now students, think about the greater number. Why I am telling about the greater number? Because when you keep the greater number in your mind and the smaller number in your fingers, so it will be easy to count. Okay, so think the greater number in your mind. Number 8 is in your mind now, and number 4 you must open 4 fingers. Okay, now after 8, as 8 is in your mind and 4 is in your finger, so now what you will do, you will add these 4 fingers in number 8. Okay, so now start count after 8. Okay, now start after 8. What comes after number 8? 9. So we will close these fingers one by one and add these numbers. Start after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? Count again. After 8, 4 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. So which number you got? Number 12. So the answer is number 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Just like this you can complete all the sums. Okay students, let's do one more sum. Question number 5. And now I am telling number 9 and number 5. Now always do students keep the greater number in your mind, that will be easy for counting. Okay, so now keep this number 9 in your mind. Think about 9 in your mind and open 5 fingers on your hand. Okay, now you can see 5 fingers. Okay, now start counting after 9. Let's add these 5 fingers to the number 9. So what comes after 9? 10. So you will add 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So which number you got? 14. So the answer is 14. Yes students, one more thing I want to tell you, that how to add number 0. Like you have 7 and 0. What is the meaning of 0? Dear students, 0 means nothing. So what you will do? Keep the 7 in your mind and you have to open no fingers. You will not open any fingers. It means when you have to add any number to 0 or 0 to any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Like if you want to add 7 plus 0, okay, so what you will get? Only the number 7. There will be no change in the answer. You will, the another number will be the answer only. Okay, so adding 0 will not change the answer of this question. So 7 plus 0 will be 7 only. So when you have to add any number to 0, the answer will be that number only. Okay, so just like if you want to add 5 plus 0, so what will be the answer? 5 plus 0 will be only the number 5. So 0 will not affect this number. Okay, 0 will not affect this number. The number will remain same. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 7 plus 0 will be 7. Just like this, you will complete today's work. I am sending you the work. You will complete it on your notebook and do all those sums which I am sending mentally. Okay, try to do these sums mentally. If you got any problem, then you can use your fingers. You can do lines also to complete these sums. Okay students, check. Now dear students, open your maths notebook and start doing today's work. These are the sums. You have to do these addition sums in your notebook. Try to do these sums mentally, and after completing this work, send this work to your class teachers. Okay, bye bye students.